Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be explaining to you today how you can tell whether or not you got the new inner tubes inside of your tires before removing them and taking it apart. Now if it is your first time here, hit that like, and if you found this useful, and subscribe button if you don't mind, because I love doing videos on bicycles. And let's get into this video right now. So this is going to be pretty short, and this is going to happen. So let's say you have a reasonable good tire, but you want to know if you have a good inner tubes inside or whatnot. And this is what's going to happen. You're going to go over here and see if you have a nice a crisp valve and a pretty new looking cap. Chances are that that person before you, he put the new inner tubes in there. So this would be the shredder example over here, and on the back tire over here, which I will show you in a bit, I have a Presto valve. So this is, I'll let you zoom in here. This is how the new shredder valve should look like, because I just put a new tube in there. And there you go. So now let's look at the Presto valve. Okay, so this is how the brand new Presto valve looks like. You see? Get this guy to focus. So that is the Presto valve, and the valve should look nice and shiny. If it is oxidized, like side of the rim here, that probably means that you have an older inner tube in there that was probably patched, and that's on its way out, and you may get a flat. So this would be a good indication over here how the new tube looks like. So basically what that tells you, you end up you may have less flats because you got a new tube in there. And that's pretty much that. I hope you found this useful. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, like, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye.